The first official snowfall of the season here in Mount Hope, West Virginia. I think we're getting a blizzard now. Yep, I'm going back in the library until this lets up. I'm gonna wait until this lets up and then I'm gonna make my way home. Crazy. This is insane. The wind has let up, but the snow has not let up. This is crazy. First snowfall of the season too. Well, second snowfall for West Virginia. First snowfall for where I live, because a couple of weeks ago I do remember seeing some posts on Facebook where Pocahontas County and I think parts of Greenbrier County got snow, but we didn't get it here. So it's the first snowfall of the season for Mount Hope and the part of West Virginia I live in anyways.